Misundo na pasibayang construction works king Dolores portion na ning Manila North Road o MacArthur Highway king siyudad San Fernando, Pampanga. Pansamantala kasi tunok ng ini anyang magpaskwat bayang banwa bang makisabay king holiday rush.
Kaya po ita methodology consideration ne po ning opisina in coordination also with the LGU City of San Fernando. So talagang maragul po yung volume. That's why in menging methodology na po ning office in-instruct na po king contractor is to stop the operation within that period. At migration niya po pin ngayon mo second week or first week na po ning January.
May kakabayang 340 meters ng gagawad ng partida ng MacArthur Highway king Dolores magumpisa, kalagpas intersection papunta king direksyon na ng Angeles. Agpangking Assistant Chief na ng Construction Division na ng DPWH Region 3 ay Engineer Jason Hauco, sinamas danoreng warning signs sa maging reklamo da kanito ng motorista. 85% na kano'y completion rate king ongoing rehabilitation project king Dolores portion. Kaya rin nanini ibalaos da naman kano'y partida ng Good Shepherd.
Ang mitataga na mo po talagang obra ng contractor ining kening intersection or from Ultra MRF going to Good Shepherd. Ita pong kening Ultra MRF going to intersection Macdo, halos at po keng mga 300 meters yan. Ita naman pong after the intersection going to Good Shepherd, at po keng mga almost 500 meters po yan. So yan na mo po yung mitataga na obra ng contractor tamo para ma-fully rehabilitate siya po itang lugar ita.
Nga na pang Hauco makipag-coordinate alarin kano karing business owners malapit king area at king City Public Order and Safety Coordinating Office at Isiposco, uling gawan din na rin ng metong pang portion ng dalang banda Good Shepherd Memorial Park bayo yung Marso.
In plano tamo po kanyan right now, within this week po, mag-send tamo pong, or in project team tamo po, makipag-coordinate siya karetang apektadong establishment from Ultra MRF going to Good Shepherd po. So, in kaya katampong project team before issuing resumption ketang area, may kipag-coordinate siya po as early as first week of January king si Posco. Then after all preparations have been discussed and have been secured po, karnya pa po may kumpisa yung contractor ta.
Base king DPWH data, may ka-budget ya 228 million pesos si proyekto kaya ba yung portion na ng Tanahero, Juliana, San Jose, king pare-parehong akit kay Manila North Road. Yako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.